Woo. What's up, viewer? I'm so glad to be here, having you to watch me today on your screen. The purpose of being here is just to enlighten you about something that might be difficult for you. That's why you need to watch this video. So, today I'm gonna teach you on how to link or connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. And to do that, you'll need 3 steps. The first step is to get a Facebook page, which will be easy to connect to your Instagram account. And you can also create an ads with it. Connect it to your Instagram account or profile. After you are done creating a Facebook page, just like this, then you'll go on and fill out all the necessary information about your page. Step 2, you will need to have, or create an Instagram profile. After you are done creating an Instagram profile, then you fill out your information just like how we did previously when creating our Facebook page. Sorry, as for me, I don't need to create a Facebook page or Instagram account because I have already had mine. So if you want to learn how to create a Facebook page or an Instagram account, then I think you will have to subscribe and turn on the notification bell on. All you have to do is just hit this button here that says subscribe and click that bell icon. Last but not the least step, you will need to publish your Facebook page, so that whenever someone search for anything similar to your name or company name, it will appear on the internet. Just as how I search for my name and I see it here. Like you can see this picture. I uploaded it on my Facebook page. I just created this Facebook page for this tutorial. Let's get back to business. I have told you all the necessary steps you need to do. So it's time to get started connecting your Facebook page to your Instagram account. So get your phone or your laptop so we can flow together. But I'm gonna use my mobile device on this tutorial. But to be honest, it's not too hard to connect it on PC. But I think it will be more easier to use mobile device. So, let's get started. Gosh, how many times did I have to say started? I am sorry for putting on that weird face. I mean this weird face. Like I am tired or something. Okay, here we go. Sorry I have to change location. They called me here so I could also teach them, as well. So, on your mobile device, click the Facebook app on your home screen. Then click this page icon on top of your Facebook account. But if you are on iOS device, your taskbar will be below your screen, on your Facebook account. Just like this. Tap on your page that you just created. And click the setting icon here. Then tap on this Instagram icon, before the WhatsApp. After tapping on it, it will tell you this. Just click allow, or connect account. If you want Instagram to access your message box, you allow it by tapping this, but if you don't want to, you can just close it. Then click confirm. It will take you to another browser. You will just wait for it to load. Then you will log into your Instagram account, so that it will connect automatically to your Facebook page. If you like, you can save your login info on your browser. But I'll just click not now. Then it will load and show you a pop-up message telling you you've linked your Facebook page to your Instagram account. Just tap on OK. So that's how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Wow, it's so easy and simple. Thank you so much, Casey John. I'm really so happy. So now I can connect my Facebook page and Instagram account and create ads with it whenever I want to. Yes, you can connect your page now. Thank you for listening to me and watching my video. Do well to smash that like button. And don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe. And tell me if there are any difficulty you are facing on your social media pages. I'll drop a video on that. Bye. See you on my next video. Make sure you watch these videos.